Okay, so here is a wireless charger from Choetech, as you can see there. It's compatible with the iPhone X, iPhone 10, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus and the latest Samsung Galaxy devices like the Galaxy S9, S8 and Galaxy Note 8 and so on. So this should be quite interesting to try. So let's first unbox this and then try it out with my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So here's the box, as you can see. This particular wireless charging pad is called Panda. So pretty nifty name, as you can see a panda on it. Okay, let's open it. So let's start with the other stuff in the box. Here we have some Panda bookmark. Kind of cool, looks nice. And here is a user manual from Choetech, how to use it. Nice. And here we have the charging pad. A plastic feel to it, but looks kind of cool with a panda. Here's the back side. It's fast wireless charging for Galaxy devices and normal charging for iPhone devices. And here we have a cable that you need to connect either to a computer or to a charger. For example, your iPhone charger or an Android phone charger. So here is the cable. Unfortunately, it's a micro USB and not USB Type-C. And in this is a normal USB connector. So let's try this out. So I have now plugged this cable into my USB hub on my computer, and this end should be connected to the charging pad like that. Now we have connected this. And let's try it out. I put my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus on this one. And as you can see, it starts to charge immediately. You see a green light there when it charges. And you can see the charging icon on top here on the phone, as you can see there. So now it's charging. And it should be fast wireless charging now, because this is a supported device for that. Pretty neat. I love it so far. I like that. So when disconnect, it stops charging, of course, and the light goes off, and I put the phone on again and it starts to charge. Pretty nifty. I will put links down below in the description text on this video where you can buy this wireless charging pad from Choetech. I think it's well worth the money, around 30 US dollar, I think it is, 35 UK pound. So this Actually works with my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Pretty nifty. It's a bit plastic though, but I think the Panda logo substitute that for the build quality. It looks neat. Okay, bye.